I wanted to show two more Kydex hybrid sheath. First one is this one for Bark River Bushcrafter Scout knife. Again, from outside, looks like a pretty standard looking leather sheath, hand stitched, belt loop, inside Kydex liner. Great retention on this one. It's maybe a touch more retention than I'd like, but still easily comes out with one hand. Relatively small package. The second one is for a knife I made. This is nice burgundy colored leather, also kind of a classic style. Nothing really fancy or unusual here. Inside, same Kydex liner. This one, the retention is even better. It's really kind of slides in there very gently, but doesn't go anywhere. And retention is excellent. As far as these sheath, the main problem I think is that Kydex still potentially will get dust and grit in there, and it will scratch the knife. So for something that's not going to be used, I probably would not recommend Kydex for, or not use it myself. But these knives probably are going to be used, so it's fine. I do leave a lot of room around the blade in this section, so the risk is relatively small, but you never know. Second issue is that this is glued inside, and I don't know long term how well this will stay in there. I suspect it'll be fine because it is kind of hugged very tightly by the stitches, but theoretically over time I could see this coming out. If that happens, I think it can be re-glued again, but that's a potential problem. Otherwise, this is a great idea, I think, to make a sheath that's not as easily cut through, especially if your leather is not super thick. I've had a couple of, one knife that I gave to somebody that the person cut through the sheath right here first time they put the knife in. And I think for these types of knives that are extremely pointy and slicey, the risk is definitely there. Kind of potentially a safety concern too. That's what I want to share today. Thanks for watching.